Kick those feet. Scoop, scoop, scoop. Isn't that great? Take a big breath. Breathe. Okay, last one. Almost there.
And when it's out to the pool.
Wow. Good job. Look how far you girls came.
They're both
How
at
far
a,
you swim?
they're both like not the same level as
Yeah.
It's really nice, huh?
Yeah, it's awesome.
Good job, Alice. You did it. You were swimming.
I think that helps.
You were swimming.
I was swimming under the water.
I know, you did so good.
And I would do that again.
We'll do it tomorrow, okay?
You're actually going under.
No. Let's go.